What? No, it's not. Oh, it's the voice? Hey, you think I said the fire alarm? For what?
It was your fault.
Mr. Vandergriff, will you play with fire?
Yeah. We were doing some experiments.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, yeah, we did.
okay, that would be great.
Yeah.
Then I'll pick him up later. Then I'll pick him up later. What were you doing?
We were isolating hydrogen and catching on fire Hindenburg, and then we were related to the periodic table and the elements.
Is he working on anything?
So they're in the standard space.
Did you really have pain in your mind?
But it goes over